ആദിയിൽ വചനമുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. വചനം ദൈവത്തോടുകൂടിയായിരുന്നു. വചനം ദൈവമായിരുന്നു. വചനമായ ദൈവം മാംസമായി മനുഷ്യപുത്രനായി ബെത്ലഹേമിലെ കാലിത്തൊഴുത്തിൽ പിറന്നു. പൂർവ്വപിതാക്കന്മാരുടെ വചനങ്ങൾ പൂർത്തിയായി. ഭൂമിയിൽ ദൈവപുത്രന്റെ ജനനത്തിന് തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ടത് രാജകൊട്ടാരങ്ങളോ പ്രഭുമന്ദിരങ്ങളോ ആയിരുന്നില്ല. ഏറ്റവും വലിയ എളിമയുടെയും വിനയത്തിന്റെയും പ്രതീകമായി ഒരു കാലിത്തൊഴുത്താണ് യേശുവിന്റെ ജനനത്തിനായി തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ടത്.
പൂർണ്ണ ഗർഭിണിയായ മറിയത്തിന് പ്രസവ സമയം അടുത്തതിനാൽ താമസിക്കാൻ ഒരിടം തേടി അവർ അലഞ്ഞു. ജനക്കൂട്ടം കാരണം സത്രങ്ങളും വീടുകളുമെല്ലാം നിറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഒടുവിൽ പശുക്കളെ പാലിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാലിത്തൊഴുത്തിൽ മറിയം ഉണ്ണിയേശുവിന് ജന്മം നൽകി.
ശിശു എവിടെയാണെന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞ് ആരാധിച്ച് ഉപഹാരങ്ങൾ സമർപ്പിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്.
അങ്ങനെയോ? നാം അത് അറിഞ്ഞിരുന്നില്ല. ആരെവിടെ? പ്രഭു, താങ്കൾ പോയി നമ്മുടെ ജ്യോതിഷിയോട് സഭയിൽ ആഗതനാകാൻ പറയൂ. താങ്കൾ എത്രയും വേഗം ഗ്രന്ഥങ്ങൾ പരിശോധിച്ച് ആ ശിശു എവിടെ ജനിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നുവെന്ന് കണ്ടെത്തണം. സ്നേഹിതരെ, നിങ്ങൾ പോയി ശിശുവിനെ കണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിഞ്ഞു വരൂ. നമുക്കും ആ ശിശുവിനെ കണ്ട് വണങ്ങേണ്ടതിന് തീർച്ചയായും നിങ്ങൾ ഈ വഴി തന്നെ മടങ്ങിയെത്തി നമ്മെ വിവരങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കണം.
ദൈവത്തിന് മഹത്വം, ഭൂമിയിൽ സന്മനസ്സുള്ളവർക്ക് സമാധാനം. നിൽക്കൂ, നിങ്ങൾ ഹെരോദേസിന്റെ കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് മടങ്ങി പോകരുത്. കാരണം അയാൾ ശിശുവിനെ വധിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് കാര്യങ്ങൾ അന്വേഷിക്കുന്നത്. ആയതിനാൽ നിങ്ങൾ മറ്റൊരു വഴിയിലൂടെ സ്വദേശങ്ങളിലേക്ക് മടങ്ങിപ്പോകുക.
Beloved colleagues, families, and my dear children, before I start sharing my Christmas thoughts with you, first of all, I thank God for enabling us to conduct once again a program with students on stage. It is after a gap of around 2 years that our school stage become active with any of the programs where students involved. Children, you remember earlier, most of the days there were stage programs presented by students. In this bleak period of COVID-19, I consider it as God's blessing to have such a program organized here today. When we think about Christmas, a lot of symbols come to our mind. What are some of the symbols, children? Do you remember? When we hear the word Christmas, what comes to our mind? Christmas star is one. Christmas tree is another one. Pardon? Cake, Christmas cake, sweets. Okay. Especially Christmas cake. Santa Claus. Okay. Cards, sending message cards, or sending, through the online media, we send message of Merry Christmas to our kid and king. These are all symbols of Christmas. Children, today I would like to share my thoughts. Is it only Christmas? Children, for the last around 10 days, the class 11 students were preparing for staging this program. They worked day and night for making such a wonderful star. It is the result of their sweat and toil that a wonderful star is made by them. I congratulate first of all the class 11 students for their initiative. And really they made a wonderful Christmas star. And all the festivities, all the symbols of Christmas are here. See, when I think about a Christmas message, what comes to my mind first is whether these symbols make Christmas. Is it what Christmas is? Nowadays, what I feel when I see the festivities of Christmas, that the very essence of Christmas is getting lost. This is my feeling. What is Christmas? People forget. People are more carried away by the festivities, by the symbols, not the essence of Christmas. Children, I would like to tell you, you already know why we celebrate Christmas. Already you have seen a beautiful skit which kept good standard. I congratulate the children for presenting such a wonderful skit. And I also wish to thank Matthew sir and Rosama teacher for supporting the students, and it was because of them that the students could make the skit so beautiful. So it is needless to tell you about the symbols of Christmas. Now I would like to tell you the essence of Christmas. What is the essence of Christmas? You all know that Jesus Christ has taken birth in this world. And you know that now in the skit you have seen Mother Mary, Joseph, the angel. Then you also have seen the kings, the wise men. So it is needless to tell you all about that, the story of Christmas. It is not actually a story, it is the faithful believe it all happened. It is not just story. Children, the essence of Christmas are four in what I think to share with you now. First of all, it is unconditional love of God to man. What is the meaning of unconditional love? Children, we love others for getting love, for getting things, getting favors done. Children love parents. Why? Because parents take care of them, provide everything they need. Why do parents love them? They also think, see, in their old age or their later, when they are in need, the children will help them. That is, in even the parent-children relationship, we cannot say that which is the holiest of relationship on earth. We cannot say that it is fully unconditional. Unconditional love in Greek is represented by the word agape. So agape is the essence of Christmas, I feel. Why unconditional love, you know, children? See, the Son of God has taken birth on earth from a Virgin Mary. Why the God has sent His Son to the world? You know, as a Savior to the world. You know what happened to Jesus who took birth in a manger? You know manger? A cattle shed where, which is the word of cattle. So then why I said it is unconditional, you understood? God never, you know, what happened to Jesus? What the world did to Jesus, you know, at the end. What happened? Jesus was crucified. It was all decided by God already. This is what the faithful believe. So it was not expecting anything that God sent His only begotten Son, only Son to the earth. It was unconditional love of God to man, that the birth of Jesus Christ took place, the Son of God. So the essence of Christmas is unconditional love, which we can emulate, we can imitate, which is the essence of Christmas. Second thing is joy and peace. We all wish, may the joy of Christmas abide with you. So, you know, the birth of Jesus brought immense joy and peace. You know, the angels sang, the host of peace. And the next is, the essence is humility. You know what humility is? It is a noun form. Humble. You know, humble. You all know the word humble. What is the meaning of humble? You say in Malayalam, right? Humility is a noun form of that. Humility is the essence of Christmas. Why? Can you guess? Think positive. At least you are here. We are immensely happy to have you here. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. With this, I remain. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Merry Christmas once again.